Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. I have a very practical project for you today. With the beginning of the school year coming up, we need to label the insides of all the kids' jackets. We go to a charter school with a uniform, and so all the jackets end up looking very similar. I'll put a little heat transfer vinyl inside by the tag that has our last name in it. That way the lost and found lady always knows who to get them back to. We used to use a permanent marker, but I like the heat transfer vinyl. I think it looks more professional. It'll be very simple. We're just going to put a little bit here underneath the tag. Nothing too bulky about this jacket that won't go over the platen, so I don't need to use a heat press pillow or anything like that.